This is a Toro Timemaster personal pace 30-inch dual blade lawnmower. It's really a very nice unit. It's really large. Some of the functions, when you push this down here, it will actually act as a brake if you need that. Stop engine is right here. Gasoline, oil. This here in the pictures, if you push this forward or push this back rather, it will adjust the handle that suits you best. So let's fire this bad boy up and you can get an idea of what it'll do. This bar here, that bar there is what will pace it. Self-Propelled. Safety latch disengages both wheel rotors. It's very difficult to do a video and safely operate the mower, but you kind of get the idea. As you see, a 30-inch path will cut this yard in no time once it's good and green. I think this is a very nice mower. Looks like it will last many years. Certainly plenty of power, 10 horse. Very nice.